you know, कितना अच्छा होता अगर एक कॉम्पैक्ट में ही हमें सनस्क्रीन मिल सकता. Then I found a product. I mean, like the product. This is the product, which is Sun Shield Sunscreen Compact Powder. जिसके बारे में आज हम lots and lots of बातें करने वाले हैं. So we'll check that out. How's the quality, and it actually going to work or not? So we're gonna see in this video. So just stay tuned and ta-da! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Life Gorgeous. So if you love makeup products, beauty and the honest review, do not forget to like this video, and definitely if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. So let's just get started. I am back with another vlog, and this is going to be an amazing concept and quite a different for me, and I guess for you too as well. So today I am here with this Mila Beauty Sun Shield Sunscreen Compact. I mean, this is amazing concept. I found it and I definitely going to share it with you. And this is with amazing price point also. So don't go anywhere. Just stay tuned with this video because we're going to talk about it a lot this video ahead. So let's just talk about its packaging first. Yeah, so this is Mila Beauty. This is the beautiful pink and yellow toned packaging, which shows you the the sun rays shine colors and everything, and the beautiful pink shade over here. And this is SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus, and this is lightweight. This is lightweight, minimize pores, matte sunscreen with ceramide. So it is quite promising. We'll just check that out whether it delivers or not. So the quantity is 9 grams and the price is amazing. 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 Because it is amazing. So the price is 309. It's 309 everyone. Can you really believe? Yeah, so let's just talk about the product and the application and the texture and everything. Yeah, so here is the product. It is amazing. It comes with beautiful full screen mirror, like full screen mirror, and I'll show you. I have the another from Nykaa. This is the simple compact, but this is not the full screen. That's what I want to show you. Let me just show you the both. It's not a comparison, but I'm just going to show you that it is a big mirror. It is a big mirror. See, there's no borderline. It is proper a mirror. So yes, and this is with a very holding point of view, and this got this beautiful puff. This is really soft and a white puff. This is amazing, I'm telling you. And the product is quite damaged, which wasn't. मैं यहाँ video, I'll definitely pin down the video, and यहाँ भी मैं clip कर दूँगी. जब ये प्रोडक्ट आया था तब ये it wasn't damaged at all. मैंने शॉर्ट वीडियो अपलोड की थी, बट उसके बाद I think मेरी वजह से यहाँ गिर गया होगा. I don't know what happened, but it was like quite. It is damaged. Let me just show you. It is damaged, but the quality is still there. See, it is damaged, and because of my fault only. I'm not blaming anyone. So, but the quality and the texture, I'm still using it. And it gives amazing results. Let me just show you and tell you whether it's really lightweight or not. Which already I have been using it. Yeah, so see the texture. See, can you see this? It blends so well. Yeah, it does gives you cakey look at first, but it is lightweight, and the particle is, oh my god, particle is very smooth, very very smooth. So this is, I am having the shade Sand, which is my pet shade because I am using the sand shade. I mean, like, this is the Nykaa also. This is sand shade, and I've got this in this also sand shade. So मैं यही shade use करती हूँ, which suits very well. Can you see the sweat? It is quite humid in north part of India. I mean, I guess it is overall the humid. It's quite the humidity. Yeah. Okay, you can avoid it, but you can see. It gives you cakey at first. When you're applying it, it gives you cakey, but it settled down and it, oxidized maybe. Yeah. So it comes equal to your tone. and it doesn't feel like you have applied anything. It is a touch up thing, you know. It really feels good. It really feels good. So yeah, this is how it is. It slowly oxidizes, so don't panic अगर ये एकदम से केकी लगे, because ये आप सी, you know, just see, अपने आप सेटल डाउन होके ये आपकी टोन में यू नो मर्ज हो जाता है. इट कम्स विद 4 डिफरेंट शेड्स, या so you can choose accordingly. Yes, it has high coverage and smooth texture, I told you, and the flawless finish. Okay, so now let's just talk about, does it really replace sunscreen? So no. The answer is no. You cannot only rely on this. This can be, you know, apply. This is very convenient when you have makeup onto your skin. You can just apply it as, you know, touch up. You can apply it over the makeup with touch up, but you can't say only this, because with makeup you need to prep your base, right? And for that you need to apply a sunscreen, a liquid sunscreen. But after applying, you cannot apply the sunscreen again, right? So this is quite convenient for those people जो makeup के बाद एक sunscreen apply करना चाहते हैं as compact, or you know, give it a touch up, जो आपको एक compact की तरह भी काम करेगा, and it kind of helps you to protect from UVA and UVB rays. So this is this thing. So yeah, if you ask, this only sunscreen works? No, it only doesn't work. But yes, it gives you like afterward effects also. तो आप इसे compact और sunscreen की तरह use कर सकते हो. So the ingredients, let's just talk about the ingredients. So ingredients, you know, जो top highlighted ingredients हैं, that is niacinamide, hyaluronic, and the ceramides, which is top highlighted. Otherwise, this got variety range of, you know, this doesn't add lots of ingredients which other products have. You know, the liquid one have, that doesn't got lot of ingredients. So it is kudos because it is like less chemicals. Is no harmful chemical, made for all Indian skin. That's great, and PETA approved. So yeah, so this is the product, and this is the sunscreen. So मैं already, you know, I've shown you the sunscreen in variety range, price range plus the texture range. I've shown you the heavy liquid one, I showed you the liquidy one, flowy liquid. I've shown you with the spray as well. जिससे वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है, go and check that out. That is 52 Sunday sunscreen, spray sunscreen. That is a rose mist sunscreen. तो मैं उसका लिंक भी पिन डाउन कर दूंगी, you know, in the description. So yeah, it will be helpful to you. And that is the spray sunscreen. वो भी आप मेकअप के बाद स्प्रे सनस्क्रीन की तरह यूज कर सकते हो. वो बिल्कुल आपके मेकअप को भी डैमेज नहीं करता. और जो मेकअप नहीं लगा रहे हैं, कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स जो मेकअप नहीं यूज करते, वो भी एज अ रोज वाटर से यूज कर सकते हैं. वो उसमें भी, you know, they have added zinc oxides, which is very important for sunscreen. So yeah, they have added that, and that won't give you the white cast. I mean, zinc oxide is a very important ingredient in, you know, which used for sunscreen, which helps to protect our skin from the UV rays and things like that. So yeah, they have used in that also. So that is also a great product. You can use, you know, above the makeup. You can use above the makeup, and this is also kind of product, but in a different form. That is a powder form. You can also use it as sunscreen over the makeup, like above the makeup. So isn't it so beautiful? So yes, there are many more. Don't forget to subscribe those new to my channel, because बहुत सारी और भी फॉर्म में वीडियोस आने वाली हैं on to related to the sunscreen. And yes, this is a great, you can say, blessings for the oily skin, because most of the sunscreen got, you know, that greasiness and, you know, oil. So this will protect you from that, my girly girls. So isn't it so beautiful? Yes. So I've got lot of sunscreen option for you girls, and many more videos to come. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with this channel, and share it ahead with your friends and family, and those who really need it. And yeah, I hope you like it, because I had amazing time. I am having amazing time with this product, so I want you to have that too. So yeah, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with this channel. I'll see you with the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone, and happy summers too. Bye bye.